Hi Saloni, how are you? I'm just waiting if we could have a few more people. Hello Sanchita. Okay, so this live session is good evening Sanchita. This live session is am I audible to you guys? Should I raise my voice? Hi Board Penguin 99. Nice name. Okay, so I'm doing this live session just to show what's my makeup routine. It may or may not help you, but it will just give you some insights on how I am doing my makeup. Uh, it depends on person to person, skin to skin, and moreover, since I'm a trans woman, my skin is very different. I have hair growth on my face, so I do certain things to my face. I'm sorry, Sanchita. I'll reply to you in inbox later. I actually don't see my message requests. That's why I'm not replying to you. I'll reply to you. I'll make it a point that I reply to you once this live session is over. Excuse me. So, since we trans women have facial hair, till the time we don't get our laser, the hair removal done, so there are certain steps that I take in order to avoid the shadow coming out of my facial hair. But still, nonetheless, my facial hair growth is very less. So I usually don't face much of an issue with that. Moreover, I am dark skinned. I'm dark complexion, so it actually helps me. So okay, I'll tell you what I do first. Uh, I just clear out my face. If possible, I try to do a face wash with any good um, scrub liquid, something like that. Like if you have something with which you can, actually do a massage on your face, I try to do that. And once that is done, I if there is any sweat on my face, I try to remove it with any cotton or paper. Then this is the moisturizer I use before uh, moving to the primer. This you can easily find, you can easily get on Nykaa.com. So, so yeah, so yeah, and one more thing, I'll keep talking about things which I want to speak during the session. Like today we had a session on makeup and hi Kainaz, how are you? Today we had a session on makeup and yoga. Since I'm one of the finalists in Miss and Mrs. Sari Queen 2021, that is organized by Glamour by Sara. So we had a session. Okay, Kainaz, I'll tell you what I have done till now. I've just washed my face, and after washing my face, I've let it dry. I've not cleaned it up properly. I've just dabbed it so that the moisture remains. Hi, Kainaz. And after that, I've used this moisturizer of Pond's, which I have bought from Nykaa. So once this is done, then I spread it all around. So the steps that I am doing may not be pertaining to you, may not be pertaining to what's written in books or what's shown in videos by experts, but I am doing what suits me, uh, what goes well for me. So I'm doing just that. So don't take it as a Bible that whatever I'm doing is the right thing. It may or may not be right for you. So I have reached certain steps in makeup by trial and error. So I have kept on trying new things, new methods, and reached a certain stage where uh, uh, a particular method suits me, particular method suits my skin. So I have moisturized my skin. Now preferably wait for the moisture to dry off a bit. Keep a handy towel so that you can wash, you can I'm sorry, you can wipe off anything that is on your hands. Oh, there are only two people watching me. It's okay, I have no issues. If there's no one watching me, I have no issues. I'm still gonna do it. Then the next step is that I'm gonna use a primer. The primer that I'm using is of Note. Okay, I didn't switch on the light. I think you'll be able to see me better. So what I do is I take little bit of primer in my hand. There may be different types of methods that people would tell you that you have to use a brush, you have to use a blender or something, but I'm doing the steps which suits me. I may be right or wrong. You are the one who is supposed to decide that. I'm no one to say that I'm an expert. So take the primer and put it all across your skin till the neck area. I always try to wear the dress before doing the makeup so that my makeup doesn't get on the dress, and I can actually compare and choose the right tone and right colors to suit my dress or my attire. So I'm done with the primer. Yeah, and always use a headband like this. This will protect your hair. It will prevent any makeup from um, coloring your hair, which becomes a bit difficult. Some makeup products are difficult to remove and creates a bad impact on your hair. So so my moisturizing and primer has been done, has been applied. Next I prefer to do my eye makeup first and then do the rest of this of my skin, of my face. the um, the foundation that I use for my eye makeup, there are people who don't use foundation for eye makeup, but I use foundation for my eye makeup because I am dark skinned, and I need certain things to make my eyes pop out. See, a light color tries to pop out the feature that you're showing, and a dark color tries to give you the depth. So this is the product that I am using for my eyes. This is Sephora Cover FX. So you can use any foundation. Hi Divya, how are you? People are just coming and leaving. They're just bored of what exactly I'm doing. So, but it's okay. If people are watching me at least for 2 minutes or something, it's absolutely fine. At least they are seeing me and going away. So, okay, Divya, for you, I'm telling what all things I've done till now. I've washed the face. After washing the face, I have applied, I've let it dry, dab dry. Don't dry it like this. Dab it and dry once you wash the face with the face wash. Once you've done that, use a moisturizer. So this is the gel moisturizer that I'm using. I'll show you. I got it from Nykaa. It was 500 bucks or something. So this is gel based, and this is very hydrating. Supports dry skin very well, and I have a very dry skin, so I need something like this. After that, I have applied a primer. So, hi Pratyusha, how are you? So this is the primer that I've used from Note. You can use any primer. There's nothing that says that a particular brand is best. It depends on your skin. Some skins are suited for MAC, like my skin. I really love MAC products. MAC products are the best for my skin, but they are ultra expensive, and I can't afford to have MAC products all the time. So I recently got substitutes. I'll tell you about it. So the next thing after the primer that I'm going to do. Hi Pratyusha, I said a hi. So please reply if you're watching me. The next thing that I'm going to do is my eye makeup. Could go ahead and do your thing. Okay. Then we gonna talk. Okay. Promise we gonna have a session tonight. Hi Sini. Then the next thing that I'm gonna do is my eye makeup with this. What I usually do is I use a foundation to cover this area and highlight this area because my skin is dark. So I highlight this area so that I can portray colors on it. So this is a lighter shade compared to my skin tone. This is a very light shade. So this is probably 4 shades lighter to my skin. This comes in the fair skin category. So you can also choose a tone that is lighter to your skin tone. See, all these methods that I'm telling you, these are trial and error methods. I have hello Gaane Ke Diwane 1982. I don't know who you are. You're just following me. So I'll apply it. See, can you notice the tone is very light compared to my skin. So I have covered the whole area. This will also help you if you have bushy eyebrows like mine. See, my eyebrows are very bushy. So it helps me cover my bushy eyebrows also. So I have done this. Now I try to make a cut like this so that it becomes easy for me to do a no, cat eye, winged cat eye, or whatever you call it. Becomes easy for me to do it. So I've done this. Now on the other eye, eyelid I mean. If you are those two people who are watching me, if you're getting bored, you can leave. I will not feel bad because this thing doesn't pertain to everyone, the makeup thing. So I have no issues if you want to leave. Then again, I will use this to cover this part so that I can give my eyebrows a shape. I've given my eyebrows a basic shape. Now I'll use a blender. This is a blender, sponge blender. Now what I'll do is I'll dab on whichever parts I have, put this. I'll not rub it off, I'll just dab. Hi, gorgeous Idpu Alagi. I don't know who you are. But thanks for coming and thanks for joining and watching me. I think only you are watching me right now. There's no one else watching me. It's so boring. People are so mean. Only Divya, you're watching me. That gorgeous Idpu Alagi has gone. Okay, so you dab it till the time uh, the light color reduces. You don't have to completely make it vanish, but try to make it blend to your face. If it comes down, don't worry, you have other products to cover this area later on. But the main thing is that this area of your eye should be highlighted so that whenever you put on a color or something over here, it comes out, doesn't get stuck to your skin tone. So that is the reason why I'm doing this. And most of the people don't prefer doing this because it takes a lot of time. So I'm telling you a makeup which can be done for parties. I don't know if it will come up well or not because I'm not used to doing it in front of the camera. I'm used to doing it in front of my mirror. So I'm not a blogger, I'm not a vlogger that is comfortable doing all these things in front of a camera, but I'm just doing it to gain some experience and to put a tick in my diary that I've done this. In my life's diary, I don't have such a diary which shows that I have to do these things and all. Divya, you had dinner? You can go have dinner and come. Till then I'll probably reach somewhere. See, I was looking ugly, really ugly. That's why people ran away. Sadly, we can't send messages on that group, na? If we could, I would have informed everyone in that group that I'm doing this so that they could come and see if they wanted to. I know most of them are, pro at makeup. so they wouldn't actually need to see. Even you're looking fine, what ugly. Even you are a natural beauty, Divya. So, okay, while highlighting your nose, while highlighting my nose, what I do is I try to highlight it with a very thin line. It usually doesn't come out well, but I always give it a try. Yeah, this is a thick line. Okay, you should try to get a thin line. I'm not a pro at it, so this will make your nose look thin. So I've actually gone wrong here. I have a very distorted nose, so I face issue in sketching a straight line. Next thing, I am going to concentrate on my eye. So first do uh, I give a base to my sorry. First First what I'll do is I'll give a base to my eyelid. Okay, for that I'm using this brush. You can use any brush, there's no limitation on that. So what I'll do is I'll give it a um, since I'm going for a pink one, I think I don't need to give a base because I have already given a foundation. I've applied my foundation over there, so I'm not going to give a base. I'm directly going to apply my yeah. What I'll do is I'll make a mix of maybe black and a color. So I'll choose pink color. This is the pink color, this or this. This is one color and this is the second color. I don't know if you are able to see the difference between the colors. There is a good amount of difference between the colors. Let me just, even I'm not able to see. Now are you able to see the difference? There's a slight difference between the color. I think this one is a bit light, this one is a bit dark. I have a purple also, but I don't think I'll use a purple. I'll probably use this is pinkish red, something like a burnt red, I guess. I'm not good with names. This is a pink color. I'm not able to show the right tone. So yeah, I think I'll go with a pink. So what I'll do is, this is it, and I'll take it like this, start applying. Some Nitesh Rathod has joined. I don't know this guy. I was supposed to, draw a crease, which I forgot. So, you know what? I'll draw the crease first. I'm so stupid. So yeah, for the crease I'll take a different brush, and I'll take a little bit of black color, and start making a crease. So I have used the black color to make the crease. You can see it is spreading because I'm not able to see properly. In front of a mirror it would have been very easy for me. So I'm not used to working in front of a camera. That's why it is going haywire. But not to worry, we can make this work. So once you have done that, try to blend it into the area towards your eye. Don't try to go above the crease line. Try to stay within the crease line. My god, it's already 45 minutes. It's such a long video. No one is going to watch this. If there's an option of watching it in fast forward, probably people will watch it. Hi Shreni, how are you? So yeah, this is I have drawn the crease, and I have rubbed it on my eyelid to make a area restricted for the usage of my eyeshadow. I've done that for my right eye. Now I'll do it for my left eye. You can use a better brush for blending in. Not necessary that you have to use the same brush. You can use one brush for drawing the crease, and for blending you can use a different brush. I'm repeating again, these steps that I'm showing works for me, may or may not work for you. Yeah. If there are any viewers, please let me know that you're watching me by sending a comment. Okay, so there's no one watching me at this moment. So I'm trying to apply it in the middle part, and then try to spread it across, but my main focus is to apply it in the middle part only at first. Hello Spencer Bhai, can't you have a real name? Since I'm wearing a light colored dress, I thought I should have some really bubbly colors like pink on my eyeshadow and my lipstick. So I'm trying to ensure that the brush doesn't go above the crease line. Yeah. Yeah, that's done. Now what I'll do is I'll take a take black color and Hazel core. Hi Hazel. Okay, I'll take black color. That is this one is from Note. This one is from Note. That was from Miss Claire's. So I'm going to choose this color. This is black glitter. I'm going to apply it on the sides. And I'm going to try to make a shape like this. Something like a V shape. I'm trying to blend it in. I'm repeating the same procedure for the other side. Hi Priya. So yeah, this side has come out well. Hi Pooja Di. Thank you Priya. Priya, once this video is over, you can see it in the IGTV. I'll save it. My other account was not letting me comment because of ugly word. Okay, I don't know who you are. I can never do eye makeup. Didi, even I am not good at eye makeup. I'm just trying to show people what I exactly do. That's it. Nothing else. I'm not good at. I see. This side has come up well. This side didn't come up well. So, so it happens. So yeah, this side has come up well. For this side, I'll have to do some changes because I have fucked it up big time. Okay, so I take the pink brush again and I take my pink eyeshadow again and I try to cover up the mistake. See, what I'm doing is very risky because it might ruin the composition of the color and it might look something weird, but हम हैं खतरों के खिलाड़ी. I like experimenting with things, so I am very cool about making mistakes and trying to find my path out of problems on my own. Yeah, now it looks better. See, now it looks better. This side, the black part has to be extended. So what I'll do is, I'll take the black stick again and I think यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा दिया है मैंने जहाँ पे आर्च आता है, तो I'll try to remove it. And make it again. Yeah. Dose of happiness. Oh, Divya, you were not able to message me from there. Why? What happened? So yeah. Which brush was I using? Completely forgot. So yeah, this is how I do my eye makeup. Nothing that great what I do. It's just that it sometimes comes out well, sometimes it doesn't. So what I can see is this side is a bit, so I'll try to blend it. See, for eye makeup you always need to blend the colors if you don't blend the colors, then it will look like ये आधा ये लगा है आधा ये लगा है. It should not look like that. It should look like it is part of a transition from one color to another color. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to use a glitter of a similar color, and I'll try to put it somewhere in there. So the glitter one that I have is again of Miss Claire. I don't know if you can see, it's Miss Claire. I'm going to use the pink shade. Yeah, now it's looking better. If you're liking what you're seeing, please do comment. It will give me confidence, it will boost my confidence. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. So the extra things I can remove, don't worry. So the next step is to remove the extra things. What I'll do is, I'll see wherever I have painted extra, I'll try to remove it. And make it more crisp. Yeah. Yeah, better. Now what I'll do is yeah, Divya is watching me. Okay, the next thing, well, I'm done with my basic eye makeup. So without the lights you can see the basic eye shadow makeup is done. Now what I'll do is it's time for kajal, and eyeliner. I have this eyeliner, Maybelline Colossal, which I use. It's one of the cheapest eyeliners that is available, and suits me. Does the work. I try to give an arch. Hi, Jasmine. So Jasmine is a professional makeup artist. So she will uh, bring out the mistakes that I'm doing. But Jasmine, this is not a tutorial. This is just a video that shows how I do my makeup. So that's the thing. So this is not a tutorial. I made a very stupid cat eye today. Yeah, so I'm done with this. Now I'll go for my kajal. Where is my kajal? Where's my kajal? Ah, here. So I'm using a kajal from Note. There are many kajals that you can use, whichever suits you. Some people prefer to keep your kajal only till half since it highlights your eye, but I try to do it uh, full way. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh no, 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 no. See, there's no one watching me, that's why I'm crying. What the fuck? I'm sorry for the language. Usually, when this happens, whenever tears come out of your eyes or waters come out of your eyes, you should always have a Johnson's buds with you, which will see it. This has spoiled my TPJS. I don't know who's this TPJS. Mr. TPJS, please introduce yourself. Let me know who's watching me. I think I had poked my eye. So yeah, I've got a smudgy kajal look now. Shrey. Okay. Hi Shrey. So yeah, I'm done with the kajal. काजल में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हुआ because I poked my eye, so my eye is a bit teary now. It should be fine after some time. The basic eye makeup is done. Now what I'll do is I'll go for, my friend send me this, I don't know why. Who is your friend? Next thing I'll go for is my concealer. I have various concealers. Previously I was using a MAC, but she sent me this live link, but I'm not into makeup and all. Who is she who sent you the link? So this is from MAC, and my skin tone is NW51, I think, NW53. But it's almost over, so I'm not using it. Presently I'm using a LA Girl. Okay, Jasmine. Okay. Presently I'm using a LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm not using a foundation. Yeah, I need to show how to use a corrector for people who don't know, because there was a session today and there were people who didn't know what a corrector does. This is the corrector that I have. There are 6 colors in this, so I'm going to use the orange color. I'm going to take some on my sponge, put it in the areas that you can see, under the eye, again under the eye. You may have to do the kajal again, over here, over here, over here, and wherever you have acne or pores, you can use the corrector to cover it. 0.25 minutes remaining. I think I'll have to come live again, because there is some limit, I guess, of being live. Kamini Jindal.